trash day in my neighborhood. I love trash days in New York. People pile some crazy stuff on the sidewalk. So today I'm going to Governor's Island, just off the southern tip of Manhattan. Yesterday was kind of gloomy. Today and tomorrow are supposed to be beautiful, so I'm taking advantage. I can already see a big line of people waiting to get on. Shouldn't be a problem though. It's a heliport right here, so there's a lot of buzz, if you will. Governor's Island's not very far. It's just right up there. 5 to 10 minute trip on the ferry. It's the first time I've used the camera on a boat right next to the edge. It's kind of nerve-wracking. This is a really cool little island. Bunch of parks, lots of old buildings here. I love old buildings. One thing this island definitely has, phenomenal view of the skyline. I mean, look at that skyline. And if I look right over there, I see a friend. I mean, you can't beat that. I'm facing the wrong direction though. You guys get the good view. A lot of the buildings here are abandoned. Good place to bike too. It was Army base, soldier quarters, all sorts of stuff like that. I know there's like an admiral's house or a general's house or something. This is a great place to see southern tip of Manhattan, Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, without going to them. It's only $4 to get over here on the ferry. Staten Island Ferry is a free option to get out here and see all this stuff. It goes back and forth from Manhattan to Staten Island, and you get great views of the Statue of Liberty. Ellis Island's right over there too. You can see Governor's Island right here. And you're looking at Manhattan as you're coming back across from Staten Island. Nice option. And if you're into glamping, you can do some of that here. I mean, can you imagine waking up in your little luxurious tent and looking out and seeing the Statue of Liberty? It's pretty cool. I mean, look, it's right there. Lots of biking on the island. It's pretty cool. You can come over and rent a bike and just cruise all around the island. There are a few hills and pathways over here that are pretty neat to explore. I haven't really done many of them. The only other time I've been here, I was with the kids. 2 of them decided they didn't want to walk anymore, and 1 of them had to go to the bathroom. So that cut the trip short. I'm gonna go try to find how to get onto them. See if we can get some good views from the top. This kind of looks like a way in. Let's go find out. Top here. There's no one out here. I'm just alone here walking on this trail, on a hill, looking out over Manhattan. It's really nice. There's another hill over there that I missed. It looks taller and closer to the skyline, so I'm gonna head back over there. Unfortunately, I see some kids on top of it. Hopefully they won't be rowdy. Hey, look, bathrooms. Don't mind if I do. The bathrooms were very clean. 4.5 stars. Yeah, get that? 4.5 stars. It's probably because there's no one here right now, but still, very clean. One of the things that's totally cool here is they've got this hill with these slides on them. Fantastic slides. Only kids up to 14 are supposed to use them. Makes me jealous. I don't think there's anyone here. Maybe I can sneak on. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is awesome. Look at all these slides. I went really slow because I'm so big. That was fun though. Okay, nice detour. Now back to finding that other hill. Oh, that's fantastic. Perfect timing. As soon as I got up to the top, the teacher gathered up the school kids and started down. And now I'm all by myself. Check this out. This is incredible. I mean, look at that skyline. And over here, hey, so this is called Outlook Hill on Governor's Island. It's a whopping 70 feet above sea level with a killer view. Man, I love this city. It's incredible. See the Brooklyn Bridge over there, Williamsburg, Manhattan, they're all over there. And back this way, I really can't see where I'm pointing, but the Verrazano Narrows Bridge is over here somewhere. A couple Staten Island ferries over there. Staten Island is in that direction. I'm taking these artsy shots and the screen's so tiny on this little camera, which I love this little camera, but I can't really tell what they look like. We'll see in editing. I mean, it's so beautiful up here, and I'm by myself at the top of this hill overlooking all of this stuff. Like, I really don't want to leave, but I guess I need to keep walking around or else I'm not going to see the rest of the island. I mean, look at this. This mixes a bunch of different things that are important to me. I mean, I love this city, but like I said, I also like the peace, like quiet, like nature. And here I am on this island on top of a hill, looking out over the city that I love, basically by myself. It's relatively quiet, by New York standards anyway. You know, this is nature in the city. It's great. All right, so I'm heading back down the trail. We came up on the side of the island by the Statue of Liberty. When I walk back now, I'll go up the other side of the island, which is the one that faces Brooklyn. Not quite as scenic, but there'll be some good views of like the Brooklyn Bridge. So let's do that. Hammock Gardens. Look at that. I just found a playground. I had no idea this was here when I was here with my kids. That's cool. It's a big playground too. Apparently this is Liggett Hall. It's nice. I'm gonna walk through it now. Surrounded by a lot of history here. So there are lots of old houses that used to be like the officers' houses. They have different things in all the houses too. It looks like art galleries and stuff like that. Hey, it's a pizza place. And kids. Over here we have the parade grounds. Don't ask me how I know some of this stuff. What's kind of neat is this has sort of an abandoned village feel to it. I mean, it's really interesting. It's kind of time capsule-y. I think I'm actually walking behind these houses. I need to walk to the front. The street's over there. Let me do that. Great. It really is like walking through an abandoned old town. This is the commanding officer's quarters. I believe I can sit in the rocking chairs there. Everything's just kind of open. I mean, the buildings aren't all open, but yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I really like how so much of this is just kind of open to explore. I don't know how many of the buildings you can actually go into, and I'm not going to try to break into anything, but I'm just kind of walking around the outside of the commanding officer's house, standing on his back porch, looking out over New York Harbor. And now we got the Brooklyn Bridge right over there somewhere. That's an amazing bridge. One of the first long suspension bridges in the world. There's a fort right over here that I haven't ever looked at, Fort J. So I'll walk over there and check it out. It's such an interesting contrast in places like this. You got a fort that was built to defend New York City, and it's really old, but you got like the World Trade Center sticking up there. It's cool. There seem like a lot of fences and barricades up here, so I'm not sure how much of this I'm actually going to be able to see, but we'll give it a try here. Look at this. This used to be a massive gate that closed here, and that wall, hugely thick. This is a fort. And I don't want to go anywhere that I'm not supposed to go, but it's not really obvious that there are a lot of places that they don't want you to go. I'm just kind of wandering around up here with the battery, you know? Look at that cannon. I mean, that is a crazy juxtaposition if there ever was one. Old cannon, new skyline. Let's see if I can walk to the other corner that's closest to Manhattan. I can already tell this is going to be pretty cool. Look at this, another one's pointed right at downtown. It's defensive, everybody. It's defensive. See, the ferry is coming back right now. Maybe I'll take this one back. I'll walk down there and think about it. Even though I've been here before, it was nice to just walk around. Peace, quiet. It's good. Would recommend. Now we're going to take the ferry back, hop back on the subway. Come to South Ferry, you got to be ready to deal with the tourists. Also be ready to be bombarded with kind of scammy tour offers. Ferry to subway, made it back up to the east side. Today was one of those days when you go out the subway exit that's not actually your exit, just to avoid the guy screaming profanities at everybody. We'll go home and think about what exciting adventure to go on next. See ya.